Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, your host Zain Khan, and you are watching my YouTube channel Zain Solution. So, first of all, I welcome you all my YouTube channel Zain Solution, and today I am here with a new amazing NFT and token site which name is Lipasa. So today in my video I'm gonna show you how we can generate a huge profit by buying their tokens and buying their NFTs from their site. We also discuss how we connect our MetaMask to their site and how we can buy their tokens and their artworks also. So we discuss all things in detail. So I request you all to see my complete video without skipping and subscribe my YouTube channel Zan Solution and press bell icon to see my every videos first on your mobile screen. So let's start. First of all, we discuss about the NFT program, which is related to the gaming. So you can collect their fine arts 3D game, which is ready, and NFTs are ready also, and experience the adventure of owning not just JPEGs, JPEGs. So after this, when you scroll down here, you can also find out there other things like fine art, 3D game ready, and their NFTs are also ready. Here from their site, you can also buy their 3D play their 3D games, and you can also buy their NFT art. And when their prices increase, you will be able to sell them, and you will generate a huge profit in future. So guys, here you can also see that their revolutionary community, it's a revolutionary community driven NFT art project with the vision of the develop a complete ecosystem for the artists, gamers and crypto enthusiasts. So Lipasa will habitat methodological legendaries crafted with excellence and backed by the power of NFT. So this is their nature mature content. This content is for mature audience only. So you can also see their art. So after seeing this art, you can also able to buy their art. So this is a bit sila. So mermaids have been a popular subject of art and literature in recent countries and have subsequently been depicted in operas, paintings, books, animations, and films. Now you can get your own unique rare mermaid in your mobile or in your computer or in your wallet in the form of a new and amazing NFT. So after this, we discuss about the other mature content. This content is for mature audience only. You can also show it by clicking the show me the artwork, and now we discuss about this content. So her enchanting capability of diverse skills have such powers that it can shipwreck on the rocky coast of the island. Her astonishing beauty charms the winds. So after uh, this is also for the mature audience only. So if you want to show it, if you want to see it, you just need to click it, then this artwork will be on your mobile screen. So this is very beautiful, unique charm of millions around the globe. Artists heart and soul have gone into this creation. This ethnic beauty is treasure to own as an NFT. So after this is the other content. This is also only for the mature audience only, and its name is Trinity. So it is a very beautiful with the brain. You may trust her for stability and loyalty. Once you own it, it's uniquely yours, exclusively created for Lipasa, a legacy of liquidity, love, and prosperity. So after this, we discuss about the other things like Magicons. Magicons have the special power which will enable other same breed pair to reproduce and interbreed NFTs to generate fusion rare NFTs. So other one is these are their roadmaps. So roadmaps are basically the plans that they set up, is that they set in different phases and in different time. So other their plan is building ecosystem. So they also plan to achieve sustainability for the project. It requires efficient ecosystem, which in turn bring opportunity and fun for everyone. Another thing is legendaries. Lipiasa will habitat rarest mythological and worldly creatures backed by blockchain technology. So this is their magical Paul coin exclusively created by Lipasa artists in the inspired by the rare breeds of Gento penguin in many studies. Their existence have was found for more than 38 million years. They are recognized uniquely because of their distinct color and features. It is often used as a symbol of the dream, adaptability, closeness, and dual nature. They have warm and charming personalities, and are liked by everyone. So here you can see this picture. So after this, you can also stay update by following and subscribing their social medias. So after discussing their NFT program and their artwork, we discuss about their token. So here you can see this Lipa. Lipa is the symbol of the Lipasa token, and it is for the ecosystem. Lipasa legendaries are exclusively crafted for the Lipasa community and can be grabbed with Lipa tokens only. So it has high liquidity. The Lipa token provides enough liquidity to project for swapping between NFT and token. So this is also hyperdeflation. Each swap burns Lipa token that ensures continuous scarcity. And now we discuss about their staking. So you can hold Lipa tokens and stake to earn rewards. So after discussing it, we discuss about their tokenomics. Tokenomics are basically their token distribution, their fixed tokens that they distribute to hold their. So here you can see their tokenomics, their token distribution. So it is important for you to know economics of the tokens and how they are going to utilize the funds. So they have their 100 million total supply. So less than 10% is fixed for the initial circulating supply, and $0.10 is for public sale. So after there we discuss about their token distribution. So everything you want now about Lipasa token distribution. So 1% is for public sale. Price is their public sale price will be $0.10. It's mean 10 cents. So after public sale, when they are listed on many sites, then their price will be 0.15. So it's mean you can earn 5 cents by by selling one Lipasa when they are listed on the different sites. So after this we discuss about the strategic and private distribution. So they have a 10% shall be visited on listing, then daily visiting over a period of 365 days. Their foundational or reserve after 1 year daily visiting over 365 days, and they have a 10% for their marketing and business development. They also fixed for this for 365. It's mean 365 days. It's mean for 1 year. So they have fixed their 20% for their liquidity, and for team after 1 year daily visiting over 365 days, and other is for advisors. So after their token distribution, we discuss about their fund usage. So they have 40% funds will be used. Their 40% funds will be used to support the development, marketing action such as go-to-market strategy will account for 20% of the total funds raised, and for legal and accountancy will represent 10% of the total funds raised, and the fixed 30% of funds will be for used to provide liquidity to exchange. So after this, in my every video, I recommend you to follow and subscribe their social medias like Twitter and Telegram. So you will be updated by following it, and you will be find out each and every solution of your problem that you have regarding their projects. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.